Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Into this video, I will be making deep fried fish, attieke, fried plantain with cucumbers and tomatoes, of course. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started right now. I am using tilapia, but you can use any kind of fish. I am cleaning the fish with lemon, but you can also use vinegar. I also clean the inside of the fish. If you want to see that next time, let me know. I will let the fish sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off. You can marinate the fish overnight or fry it right away. Make sure you get that seasoning everywhere. You want that fish to be finger licking good. I have kebab sticks in the fish to hold the shape. The key to getting the perfect brown color is to have the stove on medium high. You don't want the stove super high, but also not too low. I already have a detailed video on how to make pepper sauce. I blended 1 onion, 1 red and yellow bell peppers, 3 garlic cloves, and 5 habanero peppers. I'm adding some seasoning and I will let this fry for 5 minutes before adding some water. After adding the water, I will let it cook till most of the liquid has been evaporated. I have diced plantain, but feel free to slice it. I have sliced red onion, and I also have diced cucumber and tomato. You can add a little seasoned salt and black pepper. I am about to start making the attieke. You can follow the instructions on the back of the box. I usually add oil and seasoned salt to the attieke. This is the best attieke I have made so far. It was so delicious. I have a little mukbang at the end. Enjoy and thank you for being here.